Welcome to the step-by-step guide on uploading and downloading backups for ABB RTU controllers. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process, from accessing the RTU via your web browser to successfully transferring configuration files. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out, this tutorial will help you confidently manage your RTU backups and restores. Let's begin by understanding the overall workflow and what you'll need before starting, including your RTU's IP address and access credentials. Now let's move on to the first step, connecting to the RTU. Open your preferred web browser and type in the exact IP address of your ABB RTU. This will bring up the RTU's web interface, where you can manage all configuration and backup tasks. Make sure your computer is connected to the same network as the RTU to avoid connectivity issues. Once the page loads, you'll see several options. For advanced operations like backup and restore, you'll need to select the Advanced option from the menu. This ensures you have access to all necessary features for the upload and download process. After selecting the advanced options, you may encounter a security prompt in your browser. This is a standard step when accessing network devices. Simply choose the Continue to option to proceed. This allows you to bypass the warning and access the RTU's management interface. It's important to ensure you're connecting to the correct device to maintain security. Once you've continued, you'll be ready to log in and begin the backup process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. For most ABB RTUs, the default username and password are both set to default. Enter these details carefully and click to log in. If your credentials have been changed for security reasons, use the updated ones provided by your administrator. Successful login will grant you access to the RTU's main dashboard, where you can manage configurations and backups. Once logged in, look for the viewer side arrow button on the dashboard. Click this arrow to reveal additional options. From the list, select the Engineer option. This section provides advanced configuration and management tools specifically designed for engineers. Navigating here is essential for accessing the configuration management features needed for backup and restore operations. After revealing the Engineer options, make sure to select the Engineer mode. This mode unlocks all the necessary features for configuration management, including backup and restore. The interface may update to show additional menus or tools tailored for engineering tasks. Confirm you're in the correct mode before proceeding to the next steps. With Engineer mode enabled, locate and select the Configuration Management option from the menu. This section is where you'll handle all backup and restore operations. The Configuration Management interface provides tools for uploading, downloading, and managing RTU configuration files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available options before proceeding. Upload a backup from the controller. Look for the down arrow key within the Configuration Management section. Click this arrow to initiate the upload process. The system will begin transferring the backup file from the controller to your RTU. You'll see progress indicators showing the status of the upload. Once the process is complete, a confirmation message will appear, letting you know the backup was uploaded successfully. Now let's move on to downloading the configuration to the controller. The process is similar to uploading, but with a few key differences. Start by navigating back to the Configuration Management section. Here, you'll prepare the necessary files for download. Make sure you have the correct configuration file ready on your computer before proceeding. Begin the download process. Double-click or drag your configuration file into the specified area on the interface. Next, select the exact path location where the file should be uploaded. Once the file is in place, click the Upload button as shown in the interface. This ensures the configuration file is loaded and ready for verification before being applied to the controller. Once the file is uploaded, the RTU will automatically begin the verification process. This step checks the integrity and compatibility of the configuration file before it's applied. You'll see progress indicators or messages showing the status of the verification. It's important to wait until this process is complete to ensure the file is safe to use. After successful verification, you'll be prompted to click a button to start loading the configuration onto the RTU. This begins the actual transfer and application of the configuration file. The system will display loading indicators as the process progresses. Make sure not to interrupt the process to avoid any issues with the configuration. Once the configuration is loaded, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK to acknowledge the message. Next, you'll see a prompt asking to restart the RTU. Restarting is necessary for the new configuration to take effect. Confirm the restart and allow the RTU to reboot. This step ensures all changes are properly applied and the system is ready for operation. RTU will now go through the restart process. During this time, the device will temporarily go offline as it reboots and applies the new configuration. Wait for the process to complete. Once the RTU is back online, the new settings will be active. This step is crucial for ensuring the configuration changes take effect and the system operates as intended. After the RTU is restarted, your program will be successfully loaded and running on the device. You can now verify that all settings are correct and the system is functioning as expected. This marks the end of the upload and download process for ABB RTU controllers. With these steps, you can confidently manage your RTU backups and restores, ensuring system reliability and quick recovery when needed. Summary: we've covered the full process of uploading and downloading configuration files for ABB RTU controllers. From accessing the web interface and logging in, to managing backups and restoring configurations, each step is designed to ensure your RTU operates smoothly and efficiently. Remember to always verify your files and follow the correct procedures for best results. Thanks for watching till the end. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Automation Tech Support for more powerful automation content. We bring real solutions for real engineers. See you in the next video.